Now after you have your noodles boiled for about 6 to 7 minutes, we're going to drain them into the strainer. We're not going to rinse them off because I'm going to immediately add our sauce, and I want our noodles to remain hot. Once we have our noodles, we are going to add in our cheese packet. You may use the cheese out of the jar. I kind of like the Kraft macaroni and cheese 4 cheese pack. We have sour cream, 1 cup. That you're going to pour in there as well. We are going to mix this together. Cheese is going to melt easier because it's hot with the noodles. Now, you don't want to stir your noodles like you're stirring grits or oatmeal. You just want to scoop it. We don't want any mushy macaroni and cheese. And then we're going to add in a 1/2 cup milk. Let that mix up in there very well. So we have all ingredients there. I'm going to add in just a tad bit of salt and pepper. I'm using a little bit of sea salt, ladies and gentlemen. And we're just going to stir this in together. Now I have this dish here. Use butter to coat the inside. All we have to do is just pour this into our dish. Just a tad bit of it. Now I use an assortment of cheese when I make my macaroni and cheese. So I'm going to use some cube Gouda. Gouda is very, very rich and it's actually delicious. Nice and creamy. And then I have some sharp cheddar as well. And then let's add the remaining of our macaroni and cheese on top. Let's coat that. Get a nice little layer there. And add some more cheese on top of it. Of course, you may use whatever cheese that you like, ladies and gentlemen. It's really up to you. And that should do it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to place this into the oven at 350 degrees for about 1 hour. Once it's done, we'll come back and look at the finished product. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to pull out our macaroni and cheese. Our delicious macaroni and cheese, creamy, cheesy macaroni and cheese from the oven. Now I do cover my macaroni and cheese when I place it into the oven. It's a habit. When you open your lid, make sure you pull your foil toward you so that you will not get burned. Oh, what do you think, ladies and gentlemen? This is our finished product of our mac and cheese. Does it not look delicious? Oh yes. Now I like to wait for about a good 15 minutes before I actually dive into my macaroni and cheese, because I like it to get a nice form. Let me see, I think I may do fish or either pork chops to go along with this mac and cheese. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 15,000. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your question or your comments below and I will respond normally within 24 hours. Until then, God bless you. Thank you again for watching the video and I'll see you again on the next